Hello, hi, how are you? So, if we've never interacted before, my name is Noni Nzuki. I'm the owner and director of the Bike Up Kenya Tools. So, I'll be going live occasionally. Sometimes I'll be doing pre-recorded videos in regards to bike related stuff, from maintenance, spares, accessories, and gear. So, basically today I'm going to talk about 3 main reasons why your motorcycle or your ignition will not start. So the first main reason is the battery. The battery is always the main reason why your bike will not start. So in instances where your bike was inactive and the battery terminals was still connected to the battery, there's a highly likelihood that the battery is dead. You'll try to start the bike up. Notice that the headlight is not on even though you switch it on. Notice that the indicators, even though you switch them on, they don't turn on. There's a highly likelihood that it's the battery. You can even go as far as, accelerating on your right handlebar and you'll hear a cranking sound. So you might or you will need a new battery for sure. So to avoid this, if the battery is inactive, or if your bike is inactive rather, disconnect the battery terminals. If you're not in a position to disconnect the battery terminals, you can always request someone to start your bike on daily basis for around a few minutes, maybe 10 to 5 minutes on daily basis. So what's the second reason why the bike or the ignition will not start? The second reason is basically your terminals. As I said in point number 1, you can actually check if the battery terminals are still in place. If that is not the reason, if you've had a modification recently, a wiring modification, maybe you had some auxiliary lights done and all that, there's a highly likelihood, if it was not properly done, it might have messed up your ignition system. So you can get that checked with a preferred technician of your choice and see how it goes, but most likely that would be the second reason. So the third reason why your bike will not start is spark plugs. So this is a new spark plug. I'm actually using NGK spark plug for this video. So this spark plug terminal is the most important spark plug terminal because this is the terminal that gets to the engine. So as you can see, this is a new one, so it's crystal clear. So there's a spark plug that I'm going to use, removed from a battery bike that we are actually servicing downstairs. So you can see the terminal, it's full of carbon. This particular terminal, it's full of carbon and it's actually black tan. So this actually happens when you had used the bike previously, the previous day, it was perfectly fine. Then first thing in the morning, you try to start your bike, you've checked your battery, you've checked your terminals, and everything is fine. Then you go to your spark plug and this is the condition. You will need a new spark plug. So it's always recommended to always have a spare spark plug. If you don't know which spark plug that is recommended for your bike, you can always check up your manual and see which spark plug best fits your bike. You can always, if that's not available, you can always check online. If your motorcycle model is available online, you can always check online. That you can always ask your technician. So hopefully this information helps you. If you have any questions or comments, you can actually put them down below. Otherwise, I'll see you when you see me. Bye bye.